Dead corner cleaning. The flexible flat brush head allows users to easily clean the edge of toilet bowl and to reach under the rim. Quick dry hanging holder. With half-open suspended design base, water is quickly evaporated. Good ventilation and no water left on the base. Notice that the adhesive sheet is more sturdy on the tile wall and glass. No dirt hitting. With silicone bristles, you could easily remove dirt or hairs, simply rinsing the brush head by water. More hygienic and anti-odor. Durable anti-rust. We produce UBeesize toilet brushes with PP material handles, much enlarging using lifespan, reducing the frequency of replacing toilet brushes due to handle rusting. Multiple application. Not only be used as a toilet brush, UBeesize toilet brush and holder could be also as a multiple function brush. It can appropriately be applied to clean buckets, bathtubs and wash basin. Compared with traditional plastic bristles, silicone bristles are more gentle and soft without scratching the tile material. Perfectly remain beauty of your house. Top reviews from the United States. Sleek, minimal, compact. I kept hearing rave reviews about silicone toilet brushes being better and cleaner or more sanitary to use, so I finally tried it out. I have a very minimalist bathroom that is all white, so I wanted something that could easily blend in too. Well, I am definitely impressed at how well it actually cleans. I don't even use cleaner each time, it's just simple enough for a quick swipe to keep the bowl looking clean. I let it drip dry by resting it between the rim and the seat and then put it in the storage caddy, which is so sleek and slim. Definitely compact and easy to apply the caddy to the wall or a cabinet. This is a genius device compared to the bristle brushes or having to use disposable each time.